You don't have a money problem. You have a system problem. Because people making $50,000 save nothing. And other people making the same amount somehow save 10 grand a year. Same paycheck. Completely different outcome. And the scary part, most people don't even realize where their money disappears. It leaks out slowly. Food delivery, subscriptions, random Amazon purchases at 1 a.m. Yeah, I'm looking at you. People think saving money means living miserable. No coffee, no fun, no vacations. But honestly, that mindset is exactly why most people stay broke. The truth, saving your first $10,000 is mostly psychology, not math. And once I explain the system, you'll realize why budgeting usually fails. Here's what most people do wrong. They save whatever is left at the end of the month, which is hilarious because there's never anything left. Because money expands to fill your lifestyle. You get a raise, suddenly you need better shoes, better takeout, better everything. So instead of trying harder, you need to make saving automatic. Because discipline fades. Systems don't. Step 1. Pay yourself first. Before bills. Before food delivery. Before your brain talks you into dumb decisions. Even $50 a week matters. Because consistency beats motivation every single time. Step 2. Make broke behavior inconvenient. Delete saved cards. Unsubscribe from marketing emails. Yes, that limited time sale is manipulating you. Companies spend billions learning how to separate you from your money. You think you're weak? Nah, you're just fighting billion-dollar psychology. Step 3. Give your savings a purpose. Emergency fund. Travel. Freedom. Money without purpose disappears fast. And in a second, I'm going to show you exactly how someone on an average paycheck saved $10,000 without becoming miserable. Okay, let's say someone earns $4,000 a month after tax. Pretty normal paycheck, right? Most people spend first, then panic later. But our saver? They automate $500 instantly. That's only about 16 bucks a day, which sounds way less scary than $10,000. And suddenly, the impossible goal feels ridiculously achievable. But here's the really important part. They still lived their life. They still went out. Still had fun. Still bought things they enjoyed. Because the goal isn't to look rich online. It's to become financially unstressable in real life. And honestly, peace of mind feels way better than random impulse purchases. So here's your simple roadmap. Open a separate savings account today. Not tomorrow. Today. Then automate something. Even if it's 20 bucks a week. Because tiny systems become massive results over time. And please stop trying to impress strangers online. Half the people flexing are stressed out behind the scenes anyway. Now let's answer the comments I know are coming. But Marcus, I don't earn enough to save. Fair. But saving isn't about perfection. It's about building the habit first. What if emergencies happen? That's exactly why savings matter. Because life loves surprise bills. And trust me, your first 1,000 saved changes your confidence completely. Because suddenly, you stop feeling trapped. You don't need to become a millionaire overnight. You just need to stop leaking money every single week. Small systems, repeated consistently. That's the whole game. If this video helped you simplify finance, like and subscribe for simple finance in minutes. This is Bite-Sized Finance.